Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Pinterest if the app won't open or keeps crashing. So first, completely close Pinterest and open it again, and if it still crashes, then try restarting your iPhone. Next, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Then open your app store and check whether Pinterest update is available. If there is an update, install it and try opening the app again. You should also check your phone's available storage, and if your device is almost full, then freeing up some space can help apps work properly. If Pinterest still crashes after these steps, then check whether other apps are working normally. If the problem could be related to temporary Pinterest outage or compatibility issue. So those are the main ways to fix Pinterest crashing or refusing to open. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.